Welcome class. Today we are performing an experiment and our topic is solution and suspension. So we have two different types of thing. First is solution. In the behalf of solution we are taking NaCl which will be dissolved in water, and in the behalf of suspension we are taking sand which will not be dissolved in water and will be and the residues of sand will be visible on the filter paper after filtration. So the requirement to perform an experiment, we have to take sand, NaCl which will be crushed in this apparatus because we need NaCl in powder form. After crushing it, we will mix sand and salt in a mixture form. After make a mixture of sand and salt, we will pour a little amount of salt in water. We will pick up this mixture with the help of glass stirrer and put into the water. So I have already poured a mixture of sand and salt into the water, and with the help of a stirrer I will stir this solution, and you can see the salt is dissolved in the water and some remaining particles you can see are visibly seen, and these are called suspended particles of sand which are not dissolved in the water. Now I am pouring these mixture into the filter paper. Okay, so the mixture of this solution will pass out from the funnel to the beaker with the help of filter paper. So I am pouring it. And we will wait for few minutes because this filtration takes few minutes to filtrate. Okay students, after wait for few minutes, you can see the solution is still coming out from funnel, and the solution which are in the beaker is our salt solution. This water contains salt, and salt is dissolved in the water, and the sand and other remaining residues which are not dissolved in water remain on the top of the filter paper. So class, as today in this experiment we will separate out salt solution and the other sand and remaining residues on the filter paper. So this experiment is not restricted only for the salt and sand mixture. We can also perform some other experiments, some other substances, and we can also separate other mixture from this same experiment. Thank you.